9. Dare you? Review and practice English pronunciation of to be in. The future tense. Example, the contracted forms. I'll go, will go, he'll go, etc. Do you know how to do the exercises below? Let's try together to change these sentences to the future tense with the contracted form. Let's try. 7. I leave the tip. 8. Helen find the book which you need. 9. You spend a lot of money there. 10. John do well in that job. 11. The wind blow that sign down. 12. We meet you in Grand Central Station. Corn. Let's check the following short answers. 7. I'll leave. 8. Helen will find. 9. You'll spend. 10. John will do. 11. The wind will blow. 12. We'll meet. Wish everyone happy in English learning. 10. Dare you?